Clearing your search history on SoFi loans can help maintain your privacy and ensure a fresh start for your searches. Follow these simple steps to clear your search history effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoFi Loans website or open the SoFi app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu of a profile section of the website or app. Step 3. Find search history. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Privacy or Search History. Click on this section to access your search history details. Step 4. Clear search history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out and refresh. After clearing your search history, log out of your account. This ensures that the changes take effect. You can then log back in to verify that your search history has been cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on SoFi loans. Regularly clearing your history can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience.